Today we're taking a look at the Lucky65, $80 in-stock kit, right up the budget alley. Let's see what it has to offer. Starting off with accessories, we have a USB-C cable, keycap switch puller, and our wireless receiver. It's available in 7 different colors. The one I have is in wave blue. Very nice pastel blue in my opinion. Its chassis is made from aluminum, featuring a gold aluminum weight and a nice engraving of a 4-leaf clover. It has triple mode connection, wired, wireless, and Bluetooth. For $79, the current specs are already pretty insane. It's held together by 8 screws at the back, and once you're done with that, it's a pretty standard disassembly. The chassis itself is really well done in my opinion. In terms of manufacturing, the base itself feels really heavy, which will help a lot with the acoustics of the board. Our PCB, 5-pin south facing with hot swap sockets. The gasket sock mount is also integrated into the PCB. As for foam, we have it all. Plate foam, PE foam, PCB foam, and case foam. We also have the ESD protector, which is nice. Learned about this from you guys, thanks for letting me know. So $79 for a keyboard like this is honestly really good, but how does it sound? I'll first start off really basic. We'll keep all the foam installed as it came. I'll be using one of the most popular budget switches to this day, the Gateron Milky Yellows, 5-pin linear switches. I felt like these switches don't really have a very strong personality or sound signature, so you guys would have a rough idea of how the board sounds like. For keycaps, I have this set from Osume called the Winter Glow. I felt like this set would be a perfect match for the wave blue. It'll come off as a pastel blue theme build with some cute novelties. So here's how it sounds. Alright, it sounds honestly really creamy. I didn't expect it to sound anything like that with the Milky Yellows. So now we both have a rough idea of how the keyboard sounds. We're gonna try to make it sound clacky now. Now with a change of switches and foam configuration. First up, we remove our PE foam. This usually brings out the creamy and marbly sound. I would also remove the plate foam, but it would be a pain to install switches with a polycarbonate plate filled with flex cards. So I actually would recommend keeping it in so that you don't hurt your arms or your fingers. Instead, we can remove our PCB foam, make the keyboard a little less dense. For switches, I have the Wuche brown switches, 5-pin tactile switches, really strong feedback and really responsive typing experience. And clacky. So with these changes, here's how it sounds. So now that we know how the board sounds like, both clacky and stock, I'm gonna build it the way I think I would like it. In general, from the first sound test, it seems like the board was made to house the foamy gasket sound signature, which I don't hate, you know, I rock with it. So we'll bring the best out of it. We'll throw our PE and PCB foam back in. I don't think a tape mod is needed, we just need a good set of switches to pair up with the kit. These are the Wuche Morandi switches. They are most popular and most well known for how creamy it is. They come pre-looped and feel amazingly smooth to type on. So this is the Lucky65 and here's how it sounds. To be honest, I'm really impressed by this board, mainly because of the price point. As much as it is your typical foam gasket board at $79 in stock, fully made from aluminum with some nice colors. Overall, it's a really good price and a really good board. Definitely, I think this board is targeted towards beginners out there with the foam for customization, and if you like that foamy gasket sound, this is like one of the best and easiest ones to build in. But aside from that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have learned a lot from the previous video, the one where I built a Thockiest keyboard. I have learned about what you guys like in that video, which is me streamlining how a board sounds and explaining how the board sounds. Does that make sense? So from now on, I believe having a sound test with more basic switches without any mods would be the best way to showcase a board before I upgrade it. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, do drop me any tips, what you think about the keyboard, like this video if you enjoy keyboard content, subscribe while you're down there liking the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.